It's really tough. Guys, equal looking position. 5 मूव में मतलब एकदम धागा खोल दिया उन्होंने. सिर्फ 5 मूव लगे उनको. And this is what happens when you play Legend carelessly. But
A few moments later.
I got a crazy winning position against Vishy Anand while trash talking. Forget about the bounties. I am just gonna focus and win this. मैंने अपनी तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए. The moment I do so, विशी सर इतना बुरा आउटप्ले करते कि समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या मूव करें. For example, I thought this and I am completely fine, and now some miracle will happen. Look, it's already there. The miracle is on the board. And the point is, queen d4 is going to play rook into e2, and you are just done.
Flashback.
New game, guys. Let's do it again. So close, but not so close. I messed up. I could have done it. And what I played, guys. This is just a bad move. At least draw करने का होता ना दोस्तों aim तो मैं अच्छा खेल लेता, but it's really tough. Guys, equal looking position. 5 मूव में मतलब एकदम धागा खोल दिया उन्होंने. सिर्फ 5 मूव लगे उनको. And this is what happens when you play Legend carelessly. But now I think my position is really, really good. I am 2 pawns up, guys, and that's not funny. I am complete 2 pawns up. मेरा मन कर रहा है इसको सोच के खेलूं इस गेम को और आराम से जीत जाऊं, क्योंकि इतने पॉन. Guys, I got a crazy winning position against Vishy Anand while trash talking. Forget about the bounties. I am just gonna focus and win this. मैंने अपनी तारीफ नहीं करनी चाहिए. The moment I do so, विशी सर इतना बुरा आउटप्ले करते कि समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या मूव करें. For example, I thought this and I am completely fine, and now some miracle will happen. Look, it's already there. The miracle is on the board. And the point is, queen d4 is going to play rook into e2, and you are just done. But the good thing is, I can just play this and still survive. Okay, so he's going to take and then going to do this. Fine. कोई बात नहीं, होता है, happens. Especially बड़े शहरों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. तो let's exchange one rook. I'm still up a pawn. And I can still win this, provided I don't do any hagar. So rook into h6, king g7 and bishop e5. I mean f6 खेलेंगे ना वो. तो क्या करे? h4 से निकल जाएगा ना अपना. तो निकल जाएगा, लेकिन ये ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. एंड गेम. That is a bit sad. That's the only sad part actually. Takes. But wait, guys. I mean, maybe I can try. But that's maybe only a dream because I'm still 2 pawns up. I don't know. Can I play g4? I can, but against Vishy, I'm not really sure. So let's just go like this. Yeah, now I'm completely winning. This is not a good idea. Just play g3. And yeah, it should be winning. या ये तो जीत ही जाएंगे. I cannot believe this, guys. I'm going to win against Vishy Anand bot once again. And this is, wait, सस्ते नशे नहीं. 4 आने लगा रखे सर ने, तो बिल्कुल भी सस्ते नशे नहीं करने. इसको दूर निकालो, किंग को ऊपर लेके आओ और फिर किंग को खोलो और पुश करो. सिंपल गाइस, ठीक है. अभी रुक इधर, किंग इधर, ये इधर, और पुश. भाई मेसअप नहीं करना है बस. चेक एंड ओके लाइक दिस. चेक एंड आई प्री मूव. इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी अभी ना. 5 मूव वेस्ट हो जाएंगे फिजूल में. बाय द वे, आई हैव डन दिस टास्क. वेट अ सेक बॉयज. आप सोचो, प्लान सोचो, तब तक मैं ये काम कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ. 50 moves done. Actually, we are winning this and we are going to win this. I just submitted them this thing. And guys, let's complete the process. Okay? So this is very simple. We just go up and we make a queen. ये भी कर सकते हैं हम टाइम पास के लिए, so that we have this thing.
नहीं.
अरे आनंद सर से मैं कहा ये मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so guys, this is the correct procedure so that you can interpose your rook in between whenever he comes up. King f5, g4. Thank you, Mayank, for making the clip. I got your clip, but not like this. So rook f6, guys, and we push. But Vishu sir has some ideas, but doesn't matter. His ideas are actually not bad, but we just give a check, and the best thing is just hide like this. So भाई बाकी कुछ भी हो आज का दिन, if I play bullet and beat Vishy Anand, that's a lifetime achievement. And wait a sec, now what? I know it's winning, but कभी कभी कुछ ट्रिक्स होते हैं लेजेंड्स लोगों के, तो बस वो संभालने हैं. Okay, rook f6. Let's just put the rook here, and rest is just simple, Put the rook here, guys. Point number 1. Point number 2, then we go up and like this, and we just push this h7. What he can do is he can survive for the stalemate. Okay, the stalemate idea. So h7, rook here, king here. So I need to be careful when I push my pawn. So that's a good one, Mayank. So let's continue, boys. So guys, by the way, let's focus. Yeah, we have to win this, right? And no stalemate. So problem with the h7 is he waits, and whenever you go up, he gives check and perpetual idea. I mean stalemate idea. So what? I'm really struggling with this. Guys, let's put it here and like this we'll do. So d5, h7 and king h6. समझ रहे हो ना? अब ये करेंगे next. अरे भाई ये लेजेंड ना सच में लेजेंड है भाई. h7 पे ये ट्रैप लगा रखा है. ऐसे ही दोस्तों वर्ल्ड चैंपियन नहीं बनते. इस पे ये करेंगे, फिर ये करेंगे. नहीं, हम लोग बस वेटिंग मूव करते दोस्तों. क्यों हम अपना प्लान चेंज करें ना? हम अपना प्लान क्यों चेंज करें? हम h7 करके किंग h6 ही करेंगे. आनंद सर की मेट ही करेंगे. h7 पे कोई स्टेलमेट नहीं है. नीचे आएंगे तो चेक देंगे, हटेंगे तो किंग h6 जाएंगे, और आई थिंक रेस्ट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये करेंगे एज पर द प्लान. And guys, now this check and we push, or we can just do whatever we want. Even king h6, रुक नीचे, रुक ऊपर, whatever guys. मतलब g7 करो, जो मर्जी करो यार. क्वीन बनानी है क्वीन बनाओ, रुक h2 खेलना है तो और बढ़िया. मतलब इसका मौका भी मत दो. मतलब दोस्तों आज मजे करके जीतेंगे आनंद सर के साथ. 2-2 रानियां बना के जीतेंगे यार, क्योंकि ऐसे मौके दोस्तों बार बार नहीं, दोबारा मतलब जिंदगी में एक बार भी नहीं आते. So let's just enjoy this moment. And I still cannot believe that I'm winning this badly against Vishy Anand bot. I cannot believe it. You saw how strong he is in the previous game. That was simply crazy, boys. That was simply crazy. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. And guys, look. अभी अगर हम ऐसा कुछ मारेंगे ना मटेरियल, बाय द वे गाइस, देयर इज वन मोर बाउंटी जिसमें अगर आप अपोनेंट के सब पीस मारते हो तो भी एक प्राइज मिलता है. तो हमने एक में 2 बाउंटी कंप्लीट किए. आई एम नॉट श्योर. Mayank, make the next clip this position. Only king left. But जो दोस्तों 1A था बाउंटी नंबर, capture all pieces. The player has to win with their opponent has no pieces other than the king left. And guys, we did this to Vishy Anand. We did this against Vishy Anand. सब लोग like करो यार. This is achievement, guys. Let's celebrate this. Let's take a breath. Let's talk a bit. This is not funny, guys. And I didn't expect that I'll beat Vishy Anand bot. I didn't expect this. I would like to save this game. I'm gonna add this game to my library. I'm gonna add to my library. I'm gonna create new memories, guys. Let's create a library with memories. Save. So guys, this game has been added to my library collection, and this is going to be special. Only a handful of players have defeated me recently. Maybe you will become world champion someday. Guys, this coming from Vishy Anand is a big thing. This is not funny. And how I did it, I mean, this is simply crazy. Okay guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, Let's just keep going. So hidden bounties are complete. Let's go back to the business and take on. I mean, but how this happened here, I still cannot believe. I'm gonna just click the analysis button and maybe later we will check this out. And let's go for the next spot, new game. And guys, this 3 stars against Vishy Anand is something which I'm gonna I mean, I cannot define in words. दिस इज स्पेशल.